like it heats the pads, to warms the water to do the floor.
Maya.
Alam na ko naman ito.
Dostara.
They give you everything except for a cat litter. But I'm trying to get them to... You want to give her a biscuit, Tiana? She'll shake.
Hello.
So can I do this with him? No, not that one. He's a bit nervous. No. He's still not very good at this.
Hi.
Whatever.
Yeah, I think maybe you can move.
Honey.
Tommy, biscuit. Biscuit.
Ja, was man möchte wir da?
Scared of you.
Sit da igen, det känns
Good girl. Sit. Sit. Do you have sugar?
No, thank you.
Oh, she's playing with the cat. I was like, what?
Oh, playful.
Mom, look.
Look. Yeah.
This is the playfulest one. Why is it? And then when I walk over and I actually said it and typed the animal, but it's double. Yeah, this Can you pass me those? No, the paper towel. I love the playfulest one. I like
Which one's the most cuddliest?
this one. And this one's the most.
I love this.
Does anyone know where? And I think that's actually getting it.
And then I weigh them. But see how he came in at 450? So he's losing a lot of weight. And then the other one that's losing weight is Lizzie. She's put on 462, 467. So she's put on loads of weight, on 80 grams. She wants them for her mum. So she
Now
well.
Like tighten it up, otherwise you can.
So yeah, they've all got different personalities.
Oh,
They're all very different.
this
You wake up and it's
like
Um,
have a. I know.
and in the morning you wake up and it's still warm. So she's the most adventurous.
party
She's the
hat, it's a
alpha.
party
So she's the boss. She's the one that's like the leader. Like she'll do everything first.
This one.
No, Lizzie. With the,
Ah.
we call her Lizzie because of her lizard tail. She's got like a lizard tail. I mean, if I worked, it would be hard, but I don't work. They're just learning how to use the litter tray. But apparently, I watched a video yesterday, and it said don't use this kind of litter. Like a paper one. I don't know. Just like it's not the right one for them. So now I have to go buy more. And then runs up. You're doing for ages. Go get it!
No? Yeah. I don't.
Remember the first time I played with her like that? Yeah, they're probably all there. They're not squawking. Usually they put out a warning call. So you'll come running out and there'll be a hawk in the tree. So they're really good at spotting them. Do that. This is our sick chook, right? So this one, I can't even get it. Same age as all of these.
Oh, really?
Yep, and it can't walk, so it's not growing.
Oh.
And it can't, so I just make sure it's got food and water.
Okay.
But I don't know what to do with it. None of us want to put it down.
Yeah.
And they're in here because there's a hawk trying to attack them at the moment.
Oh.
So there's...
Why are you doing this?
Fleas. Fleas, stick fast fleas, they're called. They get in the summer, they get into the pen and the Vaseline suffocates them. And then also she's got might stick.
Hello, beautiful. Okay. You're so
They can eat it.
Ah.
We can break it up, like cut it. I don't have scissors.
Yeah.
But they might be able to pull it out.
Yeah.
The thing is,
So cute. Betty, Betty. Come on, Betty. Hi. You know.
Film me doing this like that.
Let me make my walkway.
Oh, you've already messed it up. Oh, don't. It was clean.
Go. Oh wow. Puppy.